Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil and I've lived aboard my narrowboat on the canal system for over 30 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling around the canal system and making videos. In this video I should be leaving the North Oxford Canal and then heading on to the Grand Union Canal. The Grand Union connects the North Oxford and the South Oxford canals together. So I'm approaching Bridge 90 at Braunston, and just very shortly after that I need to stop to get water and get rid of the rubbish and stuff. Also I need to go to the chandlery. The Midland Chandlers is very close to the water point, and I need to buy some spares for my stove. We've got more visitor moorings here on the right. It can get very busy and congested here at times, so you have to be a bit careful mooring here. Not my favourite place to stop. And the boater facilities are right here on the left. Here we go again. Hello boaters. Well, that's the stove accessories bought. £70 for a new flue pipe, plus a load of other bits I had to buy. It was quite shocking really, but anyway, all necessary stuff. Now Braunston itself is to the left of here, just around this bend, but I should be turning right and going on down the Grand Union Canal. You do have to watch out for boats here because it's a very busy little junction. As you can see, I've got a boat approaching, and there could always be a boat coming the other way through under that bridge, so I can't see, so we just have to be careful. Over there on the left are the official moorings for Midland Chandlers. That's probably the best place to stop. Fortunately there's no other boats coming at the moment, so nice and easy through here. The Grand Union Canal is a wide beam canal, so you can actually have wide boats coming through here. You don't see that many of them, but they are around. I'm heading for the South Oxford Canal, but I won't be going that far today. I just plan to go a few miles down here and moor up somewhere nice. There's not a great deal to say in terms of commentary, so just sit back and enjoy the trip. We'll have some music instead. I think Bridge 100 has seen better days. Still, it's still standing. Lots of lovely mooring spaces down here. This is where I'm planning to stop shortly after this bridge. The only downside is that it's extremely isolated. The nearest shop is the village shop way back in Braunston, so you need to make sure you're properly stocked up when you come down this way. The weather forecast has some very hot weather coming, so I'm trying to find a tree to moor up underneath for a bit of shade. There's not much around here though. It's very open and quite a hot place to be, but this is about the best I can find. So thank you very much for watching. The journey will continue in the next video, so I'll see you next time.